In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paddle payments on your website, from enabling payment methods to adding a product, installing the checkout code, and configuring a webhook. To get started, log into your paddle dashboard and go to Checkout, then Checkout Settings. This is where you control how customers will be able to pay. Under payment methods, make sure credit and debit cards are enabled since those are typically active by default and are essential for most checkouts. Then turn on any additional methods you want to offer, such as PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Giving customers multiple payment options can improve conversion rates, especially on mobile devices where digital wallets are often faster and easier to use. While you're in this section, set your default currency and review your tax rules carefully. These settings affect how prices are presented and how taxes are handled during checkout, so it's important to confirm they match your business needs before moving on. Once everything looks right, save your changes. Next, go to Catalog, then Products, and click Add Product. Here, you'll create the item you want to sell, enter the product name, choose the price, select the correct currency, and add a description that clearly explains what the customer is purchasing. Be precise here, because this information may appear during checkout and in payment records. After saving the product, copy the price ID. This usually looks something like a short identifier beginning with a prefix. You'll need that value in the next step, so keep it handy. Now it's time to add paddle to your website using the simplest code setup. Paste the provided code snippet into your page's head or body section, depending on how your site is structured. In that code, replace the placeholder values with your own details, including your client token, your product's price ID, and the relevant success or redirect URLs. Double check these values before publishing. Even a small typo in the token, price ID, or URL can prevent the checkout from working correctly. Finally, set up your webhook, which is a critical part of the integration. The webhook allows Paddle to send payment events back to your system, so your website can respond when a purchase is completed or updated. Make sure this is configured correctly because without it, you may receive payments without your site properly recording or acting on them. Once all of that is done, test the full flow from start to finish to make sure the checkout opens properly, the payment methods appear as expected, and your site handles completed purchases correctly.